flash and videotape. Dude, can you go take it out?
Yo, dude, I ain't gonna touch that possessed RC car.
Me either.
Yo, just for everyone that's gonna watch this is a possessed RC car. I swear to God.
Yes.
It was working. Oh my flipping God, Gordy, you scared the hell out of me. Don't do that.
Look. When I'm just turning this straight, it turns a little. Look.
Dun dun dun. Oh, also earlier, like 30 minutes ago, when I was driving it across the dirt and grass, it kept driving either way. I stopped it and I dropped it on the barrels. Last time it was upside down on the dirt, and then I dropped the control because it was still going, even though I stopped moving the controller of this piece
from the RC car. This.
So that's how you move it, and this is how you turn it. This thing.
Yeah, this. But for the title, it's going to be RC.
Haunted RC.
Haunted, no, possessed. Possessed. What the hell is happening?
Oh no,
possessed RC car.
I'm not even pressing it. I swear to God. I swear to God, watch. Oh, girl, I'm not pressing it. Dude, I'm not even pressing it.
Dude, you're pressing it.
Okay, that's how I was. Earlier when I was on the basketball, I wasn't, okay? I swear to God.
Oh, okay. If it moves one more time, I'm whacking it. What?
You use it. I want to get this on tape.
Oh.
So look. No, drop that. I got it. Dude, really? You almost broke it.
Look, it's going to turn. It's turning. It's turning.
Well, because of the wheel, I already messed up one of the wheels, Gordo. So. Were you holding the button?
Yeah.
Okay, just making sure.
I'm holding it. Look. Pointing at the car. Then look at the remote control car. It's driving. I'm scared. I got this. This is my weapon. It's a pump.
Dude, shut up. Where'd it go? Damn it. Well, here comes the search. Finding the car. Whoa. Nope. Sorry.
No, people.
See you guys later.